All right, so if you chose option one, the movie review, I'm just going to go over the different steps for this final project. So, step one is going to ask you to choose a film. I've given you a list of films. Most of these are available on Netflix or for a few dollars on YouTube. But something that's really important to remember is that some of these are rated R. So, please be sure that you have a parent permission. Honor yourself. Some of these have some tough content to watch. Um, so honor yourself in that. Please don't buy a film without your parents' permission. If you have any other ideas about films that you would like to watch, just send me an email and we can go ahead and make that happen. So then go ahead and tell me which film you put here. So you would delete that and just go ahead and put in the film. So step two, watch the film and write down 4 quotes. So please, while you're watching, keep track of 4 quotes. Once you have your quote, you're going to put it right up here, and then you're going to analyze it a little bit. So why did you choose this quote? How does it reflect the purpose or a message of the film, the feelings of the film? So about 3 to 5 full sentences for 4 quotes. Step three, you're going to capture 4 moments. So you're going to go ahead and summarize the film, what happened, as if you're explaining this to a friend, or a family member. So when I say those 4 moments, what I'm really looking for is like a summary to the best of your ability. Remember, 4 moments is kind of like beginning, middle, end. And then I'd like you to connect it to something that we have learned this year. Please make 2 full connections. This should probably be about 5 to 10 sentences with connecting something that we've learned this year. You can also click the connections and you'll see a list of content that we have discussed this year to help you with that. And then the very last thing would be, would you recommend this film to a friend? Why or why not? What did you find interesting? What did you learn? What did you not like? And do you feel there's any bias in the film? Why or why not? In totality, 5 to 10 sentences. And so just to look at this rubric, if you're going for that meets, you're making connections that are related to early U.S. history and concepts. You're using your background knowledge to show me you learned something from the film. You're identifying the importance of the film, explaining the message, and the reasoning for a recommendation or the lack of one. And if you are going for that 4, you're making connections to maybe things larger than just the things that we talked about in class. And you're also talking about why or why not people should watch the film with specific examples. So that is the movie review. And if you have any questions, as always, send me a text or an email.